Mario, I have a good news for you.
What is it?
Today we're going to the supermarket to get only groceries. No, I am not going to grocery store to buy groceries. I want to stay home and wash bubble guppies. No, Mario, you are not staying home to wash bubble guppies. Get in a car or you're grounded. No, I didn't want to stay home. I want to stay home and wash bubble guppies. No, we are going to the supermarket and that is capital final. Yeah, you better shut up or I'll call before I call the police.
We really want to.
No, Mario. Please, I really want to stay home. No. Well, here we are at the supermarket. I mean, we're not there. Oh no, we're gonna have a car crash. Oh my gosh! Is everyone okay? Yes. 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 Oh my god. Hey, where is Peppa and Piggy? Oh no, I think they died. I'm going to search for Peppa and Piggy with Mario the Second. Okay, you go ahead, Mario the Third. Where are they? Oh no, there it is. I better call the hospital. When they call the hospital. Alright, let's take you to the hospital. And for you, Mario, you're in big trouble, mister. We're going home, run now. And Piggy and Peppa already at the hospital. When they got home. Mario, how dare you cause the car crash? Now we cannot go to the grocery store. You will be grounded until the last day of school. Go to your room right now and never come back ever again.